Hello everybody, this is how to do a haircut just using some clippers, one guard, and a hairbrush on a tapered haircut. He has some starter locks, so I'll be showing you pictures at the end how that's looking. I think he's going into week 4 if I'm not mistaken. So yeah, right now I'm just brushing his hair down, and I'm just gonna let you continue to watch the video and see what I am doing. We actually are getting ready to go to the Louisiana State Fair, and I decided to just record the video of him getting a haircut because this is usually what I do whenever I'm in a hurry. And if you want like a quick, easy way to do a haircut and not having to do all the fading, I think this would be a good option for somebody, and it's very beginner friendly as well. So yeah, just sit back and enjoy, and I will definitely be showing you also at the end of the video of how his locks are looking, and I'm pretty sure he's gonna want to get them retwisted soon, so I'll be making a video about week 4 of how his starter locks look as well. So I hope you like this video, so just continue to watch and just see the steps that I take. It's very self-explanatory, so enjoy. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up at the end.